Welcome to the Center for Creativity. My name is Erin Webb, and whether you're here in the room or watching on the live stream, we're so glad you're here for I Can't Color Between the Lines with Route 66 Alliance. Before I introduce our partner, I have a few announcements. First, please plan to stick around for today's 11 a.m. workshop, I Can't Make Neon Art with 108 Contemporary. If you didn't register online for that workshop, we'll just need you to wait in the back for a few minutes to make sure there's room. It was a very popular subject and it is sold out, but we will have some spots available due to folks who registered but couldn't make it. Next, we are currently taking submissions for our annual Please Touch the Art exhibit. This exhibit engages all 5 senses with a special focus on artists and visitors who are blind or visually impaired, but it's for anyone who ever had to suppress the urge to touch a painting in a museum. You can take a flyer from the registration desk and use the QR code to find more info about the online submissions. The deadline is at the end of the month. The exhibition will be on display in September and October, so plan to come back for the free opening reception. Next, who here has heard of Tulsa Achieves? Very good. This is a scholarship program for every student who graduates high school in Tulsa County. That's public, private, or homeschool. And we've recently added a few high schools not in Tulsa County as well. The minimum GPA to qualify is only 2.0, and you can get 2 free years of college. You can earn an associate's degree, like in nursing, and go right out into the workforce, or transfer after 2 years and earn a bachelor's degree. Everyone wants to know what's the catch. But there are no strings attached. This program is a national model for creating an educated community and workforce. If there's a young person in your life who may not know about Tulsa Achieves, make sure to take a postcard from the registration desk, and we have them in English and Spanish. Finally, bathrooms are here. Water bottle filling station is back there. Now, let me express our appreciation to Route 66 Alliance. They are a new partner in the I Can't Workshop series, and of course, we couldn't do our Route 66 theme without them. Welcome to the I Can't Workshop's Route 66 Alliance. It's my pleasure to introduce Ken Busby.
Thank you, Erin. Appreciate it. Woohoo! Good morning, everyone. Thanks for being here. How is everyone today? Awesome. You're going to have a lot of fun with John Hammer. I'm going to introduce him in a second. So just briefly about the Route 66 Alliance. We were founded in 2009 by Michael Wallace. That name probably rings a bell with some of you. Author, historian, and the voice of the sheriff in Disney Pixar's Cars. So, so I get to work with him on a daily basis. And in fact, here's our plug for Roadfest this afternoon. So Roadfest is happening this weekend, the AAA Route 66 Roadfest. So they're waiting on me to get over there right now because we just opened at 10 o'clock, so it's good. But anyway, we'll be there 10 to 6 today and 11 to 5 tomorrow. And if you want to meet Michael or hear him talk about his career with Route 66, we'll be doing that. I'll be doing an interview with him at the presentation stage this afternoon at 2 o'clock. So you might think about that as some of the fun things you can do this weekend and come visit us. It's going to be a lot of fun at the Roadfest. The Journeys, a decade-by-decade exhibit of Route 66, its history, 20s, 30s, 40s. We added an audio component this year, so you can download and listen to brilliant people talk about Route 66. Chuckle. Okay. So John Hammer, who's going to share this with you today, because when TCC approached us about Route 66, hey, Ken, we should do something. It's Route 66, and it is, and it's the centennial, and oh my gosh. And so we're excited to be able to be a part of this with you all. John was born, I'm going to give him your whole bio now. But he was born in Kingsville, Texas, and grew up in Northfield, Minnesota, and Okmulgee, Oklahoma. Now lives in Claremore with his beautiful wife, who's waving at the back. Wave. Hey, Carla. Hey, Carla. Anyway, the reason I love John is manyfold, but I got to know John about 15 years ago almost, yeah. So I was director of the Arts and Humanities Council at the time, and we were building the Hardesty Arts Center downtown, now 101 Archer. And we were fortunate enough to have John in our inaugural class of studio artists. And up on the fourth floor of AHA, I still call it AHA. I know it's 101 Archer. I still call it AHA. But and John was trained and grew up since he was 3. He's been an artist, and he trained in graphic arts and so forth, and went to college at OSUIT and did all of that. But art and pencil drawing and some of those things have always been at his core. And he was in our inaugural class, and I got to know John, I got to know Carla, and it was just this magical moment. We've been great friends ever since because he's passionate about art, he's passionate about this community, and he's a giver. And I love people that just give without asking. Anyway, with that, we've been in touch. He's made a career now. He's a professional artist, and I think he'll credit of what we did at AHA with a lot of really helping him launch even more into just actual fine art and actually doing that thing that he was most passionate about. So I feel so good that we had that program and we were able to do that. So John says he will always paint to pursue new mediums, but his first love is the pencil. So with that, please welcome John Hammer.
Good morning. What we're doing today is a pretty fun and simple thing. There are no boundaries, nothing you have to follow. It is called you can't color between the lines, but you're welcome to. You don't have to. You can color in between the lines, outside the lines. You can do whatever you want today. And feel free to take the colored pencils with you and the rolling away here, and the sharpeners. So all that can go with you. And we have some extra, looks like maybe some extra magnets. So if you want to take some home and do some other stuff with it, please do. I've also got some extra ones in the back. So when you're finished here today, if you want to take some home and maybe cut out some pictures and make a collage or paint one or do some other stuff to it, feel free to. This is an open thing to just have fun today and be creative. You can create artwork outside of the shield, inside the shield. You don't have to make it a solid color. You can create patterns. You can do all kinds of stuff with it. So just let your imagination fly. You can look at some of this beautiful work around us and maybe get some inspiration for kind of the way they've done some things if you're having some struggles. So I'll be walking around to help you too. But this is a pretty simple, straightforward, just have fun kind of thing. So with that in mind, I'm not going to wear this headset walking around, so nobody will hear what we talk about and what I'm saying. So don't worry about that. But yeah, we're just going to have fun today and just go at it. So thanks a lot, guys. Guys, it's getting fairly close to time, so just letting you know. It looks like there's some amazing stuff being done out there. Everybody should be proud. The neat part I mentioned earlier to somebody is that you give the same thing to this many different people and everybody does something unique. And I think that's what's amazing about this. Every single one is unique to that person. But yeah, we're finishing up. Make sure you know you can take the colored pencils with you. And if there's some more of the shields laying around, please take those with you too. I have some more in the back. Yeah, so you're welcome to take all that stuff with you. Do some more at home, be creative, have some fun, paint them. Like I said, maybe do some collage work, different things on it. So I appreciate everyone coming out. It was a lot of fun, and it looks like everybody's very creative. So thank you.
Just want to say thank you to Route 66 Alliance one more time. And just a reminder, our next workshop is I Can't Make Neon Art with 108 Contemporary. Please stick around. Thank you.